Here we're headed into an amazing patch of Mizuna. And this is a great salad green, and it's in a lot of the salad mixes now. You can see it. And it's a wonderful salad green. I like to eat a salad just of this, but you can mix it. You know, it's a little bit. It's got a spicy, pungent, and bitter flavor. And what's so awesome about this green is that, you know, a lot of our lettuces now, the bitter has been bred out of it. We've lost our flavor, our taste for bitter. But it's super, super important to have small bits of bitter flavor in our food every day. The bitter flavor actually stimulates the whole cascade of digestion throughout the entire digestive system, from the enzymes in your mouth through the hydrochloric acid in your stomach to your gallbladder secreting bile. Bitter flavor stimulates all the enzymatic processes and hormonal processes that help you to digest your food. So having small amounts of the bitter flavor in your food enhances digestion and decreases like stagnation and indigestion. And so these bitter greens are amazing. So like dandelion greens, but the Mizuna, oh, it's so tasty, it's so crunchy, and it has like a spicy flavor, a spicy bitter, but it's just a delicious green. So yeah, you want to get more bitter flavors into your food, you know, just even if you just eat like a tablespoon or two of bitter, it's super helpful. So yeah, this is Mizuna. I love this green. And you can, you know, you just pick the leaves like this and it grows back. You can get it to grow for quite a while. It's also really nice steamed, not steamed, but sauteed with other greens. You throw in a little bit of Mizuna at the very, very end, and just of a stir fry, throw it in at the end. Don't cook it for too long, it turns into nothing. But just at the very, very end, you toss Mizuna on. It's delicious. Beautiful.